Want to dive into AI but scared of coding? You're not alone. A lot of people think you need to be a coding wizard to even touch AI, let alone master it. But that's just not true. Let's break it down simply and affordably. We've all seen those ads for expensive AI courses promising to turn you into some kind of tech guru overnight. But the truth is, you don't need to shell out thousands of dollars to learn the basics and start building your own AI skills. In this video, we're going to walk through 5 easy, actionable steps to get you started with AI, no coding experience required. We'll explore free tools, beginner-friendly platforms, and affordable resources that will give you a solid foundation in the world of artificial intelligence. Let's get started. The best way to learn is by doing, right? So let's jump right in with some of the awesome free AI tools available online. We're talking AI video generators, AI art generators, AI music generators, you name it, there's probably an AI for it. Don't worry, you don't need any coding skills to use these tools. They're designed to be user-friendly, often with drag-and-drop interfaces or simple prompts to get you started. Play around with them, experiment, and most importantly, have fun. Think of it like playing a new video game. You start by learning the controls, experimenting with different features, and before you know it, you're navigating the game like a pro. That's the same approach to take with these free AI tools. The more you use them, the more comfortable you'll become with the concepts and possibilities of AI. You'll start to understand how AI can be used to create, to solve problems, and to automate tasks, all without writing a single line of code. Plus, using these tools firsthand will give you a much better understanding of the practical applications of AI. You'll see how AI is being used in creative industries, in marketing, in business, and beyond. And who knows, you might even discover a hidden talent or passion for a specific area of AI. Maybe you'll find that you love creating AI-generated art, or maybe you'll discover a knack for using AI to generate catchy melodies. The point is, you don't know what you don't know. So dive in, explore, and see where these free AI tools take you. You might be surprised at what you can achieve. Now that you've dipped your toes into the world of AI with some free tools, let's explore some platforms specifically designed for non-coders to create their own AI tools. These platforms are like AI playgrounds, offering intuitive interfaces and pre-built modules that you can piece together to build your own AI solutions. Think of it like building with Lego bricks, but instead of bricks, you're using AI components. You can mix and match these components, connect them in different ways, and create something entirely new and customized to your needs. These platforms often use visual programming languages, which are much more user-friendly than traditional coding languages. Instead of writing lines of code, you'll be dragging and dropping blocks, connecting them with lines and setting parameters with simple clicks. It's a much more visual and intuitive way to learn the logic and thought process behind building AI tools. And the best part is, you don't need any prior coding experience to get started. Now, if you're ready to take your learning a step further, platforms like Udemy offer incredibly affordable courses that can give you a deeper understanding of the concepts you're experimenting with. These courses are often taught by industry professionals and can provide valuable insights and practical tips that you might not find elsewhere. Plus, they often come with downloadable resources, quizzes, and assignments to help solidify your understanding. Okay, now it's time to put your newfound AI knowledge into action. Let's talk about how you can actually use and enhance AI tools in your projects or even on your website. Remember those AI tools we talked about in Chapter 1? Well, many of them can be integrated into your projects to automate tasks, improve user experience, or add a touch of AI magic. For example, let's say you're working on a website. You could use an AI chatbot to provide instant customer support, or an AI-powered image recognition tool to help users find what they're looking for. And here's where it gets even more interesting. You can actually enhance these AI tools using platforms like ChatGPT, even with minimal coding. ChatGPT can help you write simple scripts or code snippets that can customize the behavior of your AI tools. For instance, you could use ChatGPT to create a custom greeting for your AI chatbot, or to fine-tune the responses of your AI image recognition tool. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wait, didn't you say no coding? And you're right, I did. But here's the thing, ChatGPT can actually do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. You can simply tell ChatGPT what you want to achieve in plain English, and it will generate the code for you. It's like having a personal AI coding assistant at your fingertips. Alright, You've experimented with free AI tools, explored platforms for non-coders, and even dabbled in enhancing AI tools with a little help from ChatGPT. Now, it's time to solidify your knowledge and build a strong foundation in AI with a dedicated course. Don't worry, I'm not talking about those intimidating, super expensive courses designed for seasoned programmers. There are plenty of beginner-friendly AI courses out there that are specifically designed for people like you. People who are eager to learn about AI but don't necessarily have a background in coding. These courses typically start with the fundamentals of AI, covering concepts like machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing in a way that's easy to understand, even if you're a complete beginner. But here's the key. Look for courses that incorporate real-life projects. These projects will give you the opportunity to apply what you're learning in a practical setting, which is crucial for cementing your understanding. For example, you might work on a project where you build a simple AI model to predict customer churn, or you might create an AI-powered chatbot for a fictional business. These hands-on projects will not only reinforce your learning, but also give you valuable portfolio pieces to showcase your newfound AI skills. Learning AI doesn't have to be a solitary endeavor. In fact, one of the best ways to accelerate your learning and stay motivated is to join the vibrant and ever-growing AI community. And one of the easiest ways to do that is by attending AI workshops and webinars. These events are often hosted by industry experts, researchers, and experienced practitioners who are passionate about sharing their knowledge and insights. You'll have the opportunity to learn about the latest advancements in AI, discover new tools and techniques, and get your questions answered by the people who know AI best. But the benefits of attending workshops and webinars go beyond just acquiring knowledge. These events also provide a fantastic platform for networking with like-minded individuals who share your passion for AI. You'll connect with fellow learners, exchange ideas, and maybe even find collaborators for future AI projects. The AI community is incredibly welcoming and supportive, so don't be afraid to reach out, ask questions, and get involved. Many AI workshops and webinars are offered free of charge, especially those hosted by universities or online learning platforms. Others might have a nominal fee, but the value you'll gain from the experience far outweighs the cost. So keep an eye out for workshops and webinars that align with your interests and learning goals. Websites like Eventbrite, Meetup, and even LinkedIn are great resources for finding AI events happening in your area or online. And there you have it, 5 actionable steps to master AI without ever writing a line of code. We started with exploring free AI tools to get a feel for the possibilities, then moved on to user-friendly platforms where you can build your own AI solution. We talked about integrating and even enhancing AI tools in your projects, and then dove into building a solid foundation with beginner-friendly AI courses. Finally, we explored the power of community and how joining AI workshops and webinars can accelerate your learning and open up new opportunities. Remember, learning AI doesn't have to be daunting or expensive. With the right resources and a little bit of effort, anyone can embark on this exciting journey. So start exploring, experimenting, and connecting with the AI community today. You might be surprised at how far you can go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your AI learning experiences.